I'm John. I'm the founder and CTO of SyncTV. We're a provider of a platform for video that's geared predominantly toward pay television and ad-supported as well, but mostly services that are launching for subscription or pay-per-view television, movies, that sort of thing. We provide a platform that's highly integrated with billing and apps and all the pieces that are needed for that sort of a service. We actually started inside of a consumer electronics company. It was founded inside of Pioneer Electronics, and then we moved out of Pioneer when we realized the market is so big that instead of being a platform that is just for one or selection of manufacturers, to really be an enabling system for lots of services to use to launch. We found that by the time we spun out of Pioneer, there were so many over-the-top systems or services that were blooming at the time. We felt that something needed to be available for them to really get to market quicker, so that all these services could be available on more platforms in a shorter time frame. A lot of our customers are fairly large service providers or content distributors. One example would be NBC Universal has a service called PictureBox, which is in the United Kingdom. That's a subscription service of movies where you pay every month and you get a catalog of movies available to watch unlimited, available on iPad and on connected TVs and soon other platforms as well. And that's been a great service that illustrates what we can do, because we really provide the end-to-end system where we can handle the billing, we manage the users, we deploy the apps, and we provide the apps, and we allow them to be skinned and branded to look just the way that PictureBox wants it to be for that market.
Where do you see, just in general, the OTT industry, where do you see it now and going, say, a few years out?
Well, I think what's going to happen is there'll be a lot more services launched in 2012. We're aware of several of them, premium services, as well as a range of things that are related to video. I mean, OTTCON, I think, focuses a lot on video, although OTT, the name doesn't necessarily mean that it's only for video, but video is such a focal point of what's going on. And live television is going to be a big component of it too, and we're seeing there's a lot of interest in us launching live services. So I think that's going to be an important theme of transition in 2012, is having over-the-top technology really be suitable for a full multi-channel live television service that also has VOD, but also could have network DVR, could have accessibility on any device with all the things you would normally expect. I think one of the big trends that we're seeing is that a lot of the customers coming to us are saying that the integration of the billing and the apps and all the things that they're not necessarily finding out in the marketplace is a key factor, and they want to find a solution provider that ties it together and in a lot of ways tells them what to tie together. They know they need a CDN, they know they need an app. They don't necessarily know how to tie the billing in and the customer management and the entitlement and the DRM, and I mean there's so many other pieces they don't always even know they need to have. They want somebody who's done that and has an integrated sort of turnkey platform with everything. That's where we shine, and that's what we're seeing happen.